Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a shipping options on your Hostinger website builder store. First, I will show you how to set up free shipping, then flat rate shipping, await-based shipping, then the pickup option, which is this store pickup. I will also set or create a free shipping condition for only orders starting from $50. All of this in this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger website builder and that you want to add a shipping option on, click on edit website. This is the website builder or the website editor side. Now switch to the store management area and then go to settings and select shipping. And from this shipping page, first thing you need to do is to click on this create zone. And here you should name your shipping zone. Let's say, for example, you ship worldwide. So name this zone worldwide, and then click on add country. Add the countries you ship to that resonate with this name. For example, since I offer a worldwide shipping, here I will click on select all. Let's say you ship only to the US, for example. Name your shipping zone, for example, United States. Then click on add country and look for United States. Where is it? United States. Now, this is how you should work. You can even select or deselect some states within the US. Now that you created your shipping zone, and here another scenario is you ship to two shipping zones. Let's say you ship only to the US and Canada, for example. Here here on this scenario, you will create the first shipping zone, name it US, add the US states here, click on save, and then create another shipping zone. Go back to here, as you see, US, United States, click on create zone, and now add Canada, for example. Same thing, select the Canada from this list. Same thing, you can edit the states within Canada. Now click on save. Shipping zone updated. Now, if you go back to the shipping first page, I can see the shipping zones I added to my online store. Now, let's add shipping options for each of these shipping zones. So click on US, for example. You will go back to this page. Next to shipping options, click on add option. Here, by default, when you create a new shipping zone, Hostinger by default use this or adds this regular shipping option. We can delete it later after adding a new one. Now click next to shipping options, click on add option. A new window pops up. Here let's start with this free shipping for all orders or above a certain amount. To keep things simple, I will offer it for all orders. Free shipping is perfect for increasing conversions or rewarding bigger purchases. Or to reward bigger purchases, let's offer free shipping for orders above $50, for example. So here I will call it free shipping. Let's call it, for example, orders above $50. Now the shipping rate is the cost. Since this is free shipping, I will keep it 0 in order to have free. Now the condition of above $50, I should set it up from add conditions. So for the condition type, select price, because our shipping condition is above $50, which is a price. And here fill in the minimum order price that resonates with $50, for example. But here make sure you need to understand this logic, which is the lower bound of the condition, which is minimum order price, is inclusive and the upper bound is not. For example, if I set 0 for orders starting from 0 to $50, for if an order, and I hit add, if an order is exactly $50, it will not use this shipping, it will not meet this shipping condition, because the upper bound is not inclusive. The upper bound is maximum order price. I will avoid over explaining to not confuse you. So the minimum order price should be, for example, $50 here, and here I will keep it and up. So because orders above $50, so here I will go with 51, because I will call it $50 orders and up. So here I will go with 50, because if the minimum order price is inclusive. Now click on add. Now as you see, shipping details updated. Now I will go to edit website. Click on update website to make sure this shipping option is published online. Now let's view my website live. Go to store. Let's add this to the back. Click on checkout. The order value is still $36. So I think I will go back and in order and update quantity, so the minimum, so I meet the minimum $50 minimum order. Click again on checkout, then switch or select US, enter delivery details to view shipping options. Let's add now after adding this, after selecting the state, I can see the free shipping option for $50 orders and up. And as you see here, shipping is free. Now let's go back to the shipping page and see how to offer a flat rate shipping, where you charge a one fixed fee for every order, which is simple and easy to understand, and also great when your products are similar in size/weight. It's pretty much the same thing. You click on the shipping option, or the shipping zone, my bad. Click on add option. Let's call it, for example, regular shipping. Let's ask for $10 as a shipping rate, and no, don't use any condition, because this is a flat rate. For all orders, they can ship with the regular shipping, which will cost $10. Let's refresh this page. As you see, now the regular shipping is, they can select the regular shipping, and here the system adds $10 or your selected shipping rate next to shipping. Now let's see a weight-based shipping. Here You can set shipping cost based on the total weight of the items in the cart. Useful for store selling mixed products, light and heavy products. Now, to add a shipping, same thing. Click on add option. Let's call it, for example, I'm looking for a name. Shipping, wage calculated, wage calculated. For example, let's call it, for example, light orders shipping or heavy orders shipping. Let's add heavy orders shipping, for example, £5, and here, since this is heavy, I will ask for $15, and here click on add conditions. For the condition type, select wage or order wage, and the minimum order wage, for example, for orders starting from £4. As you see here, Hostinger Builder system uses ounces instead of pounds, so you should meet, or let's £4 to ounces. As you see, 64, so I will start for 60. And here, to avoid those mistakes, let's call it plus 50 ounces. Yes, plus 50 ounces. So here I will go with minimum order weight. So anything starting from 51, it should be inclusive. So starting from 51 and up. Now click on add. As you see, heavy orders shipping. Let's add a lightweight. Light orders shipping. I will only ask for $5, and for add condition, order weight, and it should start from 0 to, since the first one was starting from 51 inclusive, this one should be up to 50 ounces. Let's call it light orders shipping up to 50 ounces. Now click on add. Here, let's see if they show up on the shipping methods. And as you see, light orders shipping up to $50, because this total, or this order, is not is light. It only shows the light orders, or it only shows the correct shipping methods. Let's edit this product weight in order to be heavy, and then check the process. I will go to orders. Not orders, products. Click on the classic cup. Where is the weight? Discount weight. Let's say this on this single cup. It weighs 50 ounces. So here, since I added 5 cups, so this should meet our heavy, as you see, heavy orders shipping. Now it shows up, and same thing, it is added in your total order value. Now let's see how to create an express shipping, charge extra for faster delivery. This is same. This is simple. This is the same as creating a free shipping. Just call it express shipping instead of free shipping, and call it, for example, and give and use the rate as set a higher shipping rate, for example $20 or $30, and do not use any condition like price or weight. Just call it fast shipping and use $30 here. For the standard shipping is the same as the flat rate shipping or regular shipping. For the pickup option, let's create one. I will use this name. Here, customers pick up their orders from your shop, office, or locker. Great for saving time and offering a zero free shipping option. Pick up, click on call. Let's use this name, or let's call it store pickup to be more descriptive. Same thing. Store pickup, zero shipping rate, no condition. Click on add. Now if I refresh this checkout page, I can see the store pickup as a free shipping option. I think that's all for this tutorial about how to add shipping for your store in online in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.